Welcome to Almay. We're here to share tech knowledge with you. Let's get our journey started. A lot of users find that they are unable to access the Microsoft Store after upgrading to Windows 11. Here are the main reasons. Number 1. No new store version installed. Number 2. Microsoft Store update failure. Number 3. System file corruption. This video will show you 3 ways to fix this problem and best solution to prevent reinstallation. Part 1. How to fix Windows 11 Microsoft Store not working. Part 2. Best solution to prevent reinstallation. Let's check out the solutions. The first way is to update to the new store version. Press Windows plus R to open the wrong window, then type this and press Enter to open Microsoft Store. When you enter the Microsoft Store interface, click the action icon, then click Download and Updates. Click the Get Updates button in the Downloads and Updates tab. Then wait patiently until every pending update is installed. Once the download is complete, make sure each downloaded update is installed. Restart your computer and launch the Microsoft Store again. The second way is reset the Microsoft Store. Open the wrong window, type CMD, and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open it. Type wsreset.exe and press Enter to reset the Microsoft Store. Restart your computer and open it again to see if the problem is fixed. The third way is to run System File Checker and Deployment Image Servicing and Management scans. Press Windows plus R to open a Run dialog box, and type WT and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open it. In this window, type this command and press Enter to run a System File Checker. When the scan process is finished, restart your computer and see if the problem is fixed. If not, open this window again and run a DISM scan by typing this command and press Enter. Once the DISM scan is complete, restart the PC and see if the problem is solved. If none of the above methods can solve your problem, the worst situation may require a fresh system installation. To avoid this situation, we recommend you using Almay Backuper. You can back up your system in advance and restore your system when accident happens, which will save your time and effort than reinstalling the system. Just Google Almay Backuper to know more. Let's get to know this professional tool. The first step we need to do is to create a system image and a bootable USB. Run Almay Backuper. At the interface, click Backup. Then choose System Backup to make a system image. Of course, you can also click Disk Backup to back up your entire disk. Then click Tools to make a bootable USB, and put the system image we just created into it. Insert bootable USB into your computer, then restart your computer and enter BIOS to modify the boot order to make the bootable disk the first option. Then you will see the interface of Almay Backuper after loading, and click Restore to select image file. Choose to restore the system backup option. Select the destination to restore the Windows 11 system backup to the current computer. Finally, click Start Restore. This video provides 3 ways to fix Windows 11 Microsoft Store not working. If none of them work, you need to reinstall the system. To avoid this, you can try Almay Backuper to make a backup of your system or disk in case if anything happens. Want to know more about Almay? Looking for more tech knowledge? Just subscribe us and leave comments. We're here to help you with your any issues.